respected jury, esteemed squad teachers, and my dear audience. Assalamu alaikum and a very warm afternoon to one and all present here. This is Sundar Shafiq, a student of grade 10th from Ahmed Memorial Highfield Scientific School, Dangerpora. Before I begin, I want all of you to imagine something. The water you drink, the food you eat, and even the air around us is being filled with plastic. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to confront a crisis that threatens every corner of this planet. Currently, 350 million tons of plastic are produced each year, and disturbingly, 32% of this plastic is mismanaged, ending up in rivers, lands, and oceans. Each year, between 19 and 23 million tons of plastic enter aquatic ecosystems, harming the marine life and polluting the water bodies. And if we continue like this, by 2040, this plastic pollution could nearly double. And this is not just an environmental issue, it's a global emergency that needs our attention right now. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic materials in all ecosystems, on land, in rivers, and in oceans. Plastic is non-biodegradable. That means it does not decompose naturally. Instead, it stays in the environment for hundreds of years. And what makes this plastic more dangerous is not just its presence, it's its persistence. Once it enters nature, it continues harming life for hundreds of years. The causes of plastic pollution are deeply connected to our daily lifestyle. Single-use plastic like bags, bottles, straws, and packing make up to 40% of this plastic producer. And these are the items that we use just for minutes, but these stay in the environment for hundreds of years. And even more alarming is that only 9% of the plastic is recycled. That means the rest accumulates in our surroundings, creating a massive environmental burden.
Next.
So what's this impact? When plastic breaks down, it does not disappear. It turns into tiny particles, and those particles are called microplastics. Then those microplastics enter the food chain and eventually reach humans. Marine animals often mistake plastic for food, which leads to injuries, starvation, and death. And in this way, plastic waste destroys life and affects ecosystems. So the harmful effects of plastic pollution are visible all around us. It pollutes soil and water, making it unsafe for living beings. It also harms marine life and ecosystems. It also blocks drainage systems, leading to waterlogging and floods, especially in urban areas. And one more thing, it does not just damage the environment, but it also disrupts the nature. Each one of us has a role to play, especially students. Students are the future leaders. That means that action can influence others. Simple habits like carrying reusable bottles, using cloth bags, and avoiding plastic materials can create a big impact. And by spreading awareness, students can inspire their families and communities to follow the sustainable practices. And this is not just the individual effort. Government has also a crucial role to play. Thank you.